Hey guys, Dallas here from Dunn & Watson, just showing you our compact swivel camp stool. So it comes in this little bag, so not going to take up very much space at all in your setup. This is what you're going to get, which is your tripod legs. Set them up like so. And then this is the arms for the stool seat itself. So as we said, it's a swivel, so you're going to be able to spin around in it. On the underside, you've got your three catches for these arms, and you'll see these two have tags. So what you do is you put the first one is the non-tag one. You put that through like so, and the reason you do that is because you need the leverage of these tags to stretch these ones over. So that one to there, when I grab that I can sort of stretch that out a bit and put that one over there. So there you have it. Now you've got your stool, swivels like so. Just a nice quick seat around the campsite. Probably not ideal for your longer trips, but when you need something small and simple to get out of the car, something like this isn't going to take up a lot of space, and you can probably keep a couple of them in your fit out. Without it sort of overtaking other necessities that you'd like to store on board. Backing away is nice and simple too. Just pull it all apart, collapse it all down, and you just roll it back up and put it back into the bag like so. Squeeze the top and done. It couldn't be any easier than that. So there we have it, the Dunn & Watson swivel camp stools. Any questions, give us a call or flick us an email.